Good morning, forest friends. Found the perfect brewing spot today. These beauties have been aging in my cave for months. Nothing beats fresh waterfall water, dit. Coldest, purest you'll find. Fire's the secret to perfect coffee. Got to get the temperature just right. Old school grinding. No machines needed in the wilderness.
This is where the magic happens. Patience is key for the perfect brew.
Nothing beats Waterfall coffee. The mountain minerals Waterfall.
Thanks for joining me for coffee at my favorite spot. Remember, the best brews come from nature's kitchen.